First on the list, quality containers. These trusty sidekicks will help keep your meals organized and fresh. And a pro tip, glass containers are the way to go. They're microwave safe and chemical free. The next tip is all about planning. Making a meal plan for the week not only saves time, but also ensures that all the necessary ingredients are ready when you need them. Remember to keep your meals simple and versatile for easy customization. Moving on to ingredients, make sure your pantry is stocked with staples such as rice, pasta, canned beans, and frozen vegetables. With a long shelf life, these items can be used in a myriad of recipes. Now for some flavor. Prepping homemade sauces and dressings in advance adds a punch of nutrition and taste. A batch of vinaigrette, pesto, or salsa can instantly elevate any dish. Here's a favorite hack, the assembly line method. Chop all your vegetables, cook your proteins, and portion everything out at once. This way, you'll have prepped ingredients ready to go for multiple meals. For the final tip, embrace leftovers. When cooking dinner, prepare a little extra for lunch the next day. It's a time and money saver that also guarantees a tasty and nutritious meal. To recap, we've covered quality containers, meal planning, pantry staples, homemade sauces, the assembly line method, and embracing leftovers. These hacks make meal prep quick, easy, and nutritious. Try them out and share your experience in the comments below. As always, thanks for tuning in. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to this channel and keep exploring. Until next time, happy meal prepping.